Welcome to Yami's Kitchen. Mayong adlaw sa tanan, magandang araw sa lahat. Today, I'm preparing for our lunch Paella Mariscos, or in Tagalog, it's seafood paella. In Spanish alphabets, double L pronounced as Y and Y pronounced as DJ or G, such like you te amo, yo te amo. Jave as Javi. That's why Boholano pronounced Y as G. Because the first group of Spanish came to the Philippines with Jose Lopez de Legazpi, settled in Bohol for a long time before they went to Cebu and spreading around the Philippines. Paella is Spain's national dish. It's a rice combined with meat or vegetables or seafood. It's originally in Valencia, where you can find most of the rice plantation in Spain. So first, let's heat the paella pan and place olive oil and butter until the butter is completely melted. Then add the chorizo and the anchoa or anchovies. If not available, you can use ginamos. The first two ingredients are to enhance the taste, especially the taste of the sea, using the anchoa or ginamos. Let's saute the garlic and the onion, and I dice it in the food processor que gusto ko talaga. Then the tomato, and mix very well, and the capers. The capers also enhances the taste of the sea. Zest the lemon, and this will add a tanginess of the flavor. Place the red and green bell pepper and cover. Season with salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Then cover for a few minutes. After a few minutes, take off the cover. Mix quickly. Then add turmeric to give a little bit of color. Then add bouillon. It's chicken bouillon and boiling water. The ratio is 2:1, like 2 water, 1 rice. So I'm putting 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of boiling water. And I put extra a little bit in case it becomes so dry quickly. Now sprinkle the rice evenly on the pan and arrange the seafoods, the lobster, the shrimps, and the clams. Put back the cover and bring the heat to low and continue cooking from 7 to 10 minutes or until the liquids evaporates and becomes dry. Lastly, spread some dill on top of the seafoods and it's ready to serve. Garnish with sliced lemon when serving. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe, likes, comments, shares, and press the notification button so that you can get an update of new video. Ciao! See you in the next video. Bye!